Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review of this leaf blower. I saw a few people in our neighborhood using such a tool and I decided to get one for myself. Let's open it together, let's see what's in the box, and then I'll go outside to demonstrate how it works in the backyard. Here is what you get in the box. The first thing I notice is the box is not heavy, so that means the tool is light. So in the box you're gonna get the user manual, then you're gonna get the device, and then the long extension tube, the short extension tube. You have two batteries, which is perfect. If one of the battery dies, you can continue working with the other one. You don't have to stop working. And this is the AC wall charger. That's how it comes in the box. I forgot to mention that you're gonna get in the box also a 5-year warranty card that you need to complete, which is pretty nice. Now let's talk about the batteries. Many people are asking about batteries. You're gonna get two batteries. You can charge them with the wall charger that it comes in the package, and it takes about 3 hours for the battery to be charged on 100%, and then when it's fully charged you can use it up to 25 minutes. When you're working outside with the tool and then the tool starts performing very slow, then you know that you need to change the battery. Let me show you how you can insert the battery in the device. Here is like this, and when you click, then that means it's the battery is placed corrected. And now let me turn it on. You see how powerful it is? The batteries, they're lithium ion, they're 20 volts and 3 amps. They are very powerful. With this button here, you can check the level of how much the battery is charged. So when the 4 green lights on, that means it's 100%. If it's just 3 lights, 75%, 2 lights, 50%, and when it's just 1 green light on, that means it's 25%, and it's time the battery to be charged again. You have 3 options to use the extension tubes. You can use only the small one, you can use the long one, and then you can use them together. So I will connect both of these. Let me put first the long one. There are pins here, I don't know if you can see it, and then you make sure that they align together. Then you twist it a little bit and now it's locked. Now I will add the small one. Again, you have to make sure that those pins they align, and now you twist it, and that's the longest extended that you can get, and it's ready to be used. Let's put it to a test. I will try to clean up now the walkway. The device is very powerful and it's doing the job as a big leaf blower. This is the tool that I have been using for years, but it's very heavy because there is some engine inside and there is also fuel. That's why I like the new tool, because it's very light. You don't need any fuel, your hand doesn't get tired, and it works perfect.